Today, I'm going to teach you some Italian. Are you ready? To say hello, we say ciao in Italy. Ciao. To say goodbye, we also say ciao. We like it simple. Si means yes. No means no. Is there anything better than Italian pizza? No. Do Italians wave their hands a lot? Yes. Coffee, caffè, caffè espresso. It means express. That's why we drink it in a minute or less. And let's talk about cappuccino. We do not drink cappuccino in the afternoon. We leave it for the morning. And what about latte? Latte means milk. We don't drink latte. If you want anything in Italy, we say per favore, please. Can I have an espresso, please? Posso avere un espresso, per favore? And what about food? Mangiare. Food is the best in Italy. Pizza, lasagna, pasta, gelato. You cannot beat us. Quanto costa? That's how we say how much. And now we say grazie, grazie, which means thank you. Thank you very much for watching this video with us.